What if there was a smartphone where you could add functionality as easily as changing your outfit? Well, you're in luck. Introducing HMD Fusion. At its core, you have a great smartphone. That means great camera, performance, and battery. More on those later, I promise. All good stuff, but a little bit expected. Like a t-shirt and jeans, if we're going to keep the clothes metaphor going. Now, if you want to add in a bit extra, something that suits you, you can, with HMD Fusion, thanks to smart outfits. Hopefully the clothes metaphor's making a bit more sense now. With smart outfits, you can pick and choose new features that excite you and upgrade your phone at a fraction of the cost of actually upgrading your phone. Addicted to taking selfies? We've got you covered with the flashy outfit. The fully controllable LED light makes each selfie like a mini studio shoot. Who doesn't love a good mobile game? This gaming outfit gives you real physical buttons and joysticks for precise gaming controls. And it frees up all that screen real estate. Or maybe you just want to add a little bit of style and protection. Say hello to the casual outfits. Pick a colour that matches your eyes and you're good to go. Now time to loop back to the other great things about HMD Fusion, starting with the camera. You've got a 50 megapixel front camera that comes with selfie gestures, so no more hand yoga needed to try and hit the button to take a selfie. The 108 megapixel rear camera with AI features makes light work of low light scenarios. See what we did there? Plus, it has 3 times zoom, so great for taking those longer shots. The powerful Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset also means HMD Fusion will keep up, no matter how many apps and tabs you leave open on your phone. It also comes with a battery that lasts to help ease your battery anxiety. We think the HMD Fusion is so good, we want you to keep it as long as possible. That's why it comes with Gen 2 repairability, so replacing a cracked screen or a battery is easy. That about wraps it up, so here comes the tagline. HMD Fusion. Revamp, restyle, repair.